Hey, it is week 4, day number 3. I am wrapping up another evening, and as I was wrapping up, I noticed that for the last 2 nights, just because of my schedule, I've been doing my workouts and even today's breathing at night. So it bears bringing up the question, when is the best time to work out? And that is the beautiful thing about this program, is that we get to find that out. So there's different ways to kind of determine for you what's best. The first option is you can do like I did today and go with the flow of your natural work schedule, and then whenever you have time at the end of the day, go ahead and take care of your workout. Or you can do like I used to do and probably prefer to do, to be honest, and that is set out and carve out a time in your schedule that no matter what else is going on, barring any sort of emergency or something, that is the time that you work out. So as we go through the second half of this program soon, start thinking of ways in which you can first remain flexible, because to be honest, both ways have worked. No day is predictable. But think of what works best for you as far as your best time to work out. It's not going to be the same time as your friends or as your spouse or family member. It's going to be the time to work out that is perfect for you. So go ahead and think about that as we finish through the rest of this week. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Week 4, day 4, exercise box. I'll see you then.